Alright, YouTube, truck is at the shop. Let's get the exhaust done. Just showing the undercarriage here, long tubes, high flow cats. The exhaust cut out, so we're gonna get at it. Thanks for watching. Guys, once you hear the noise inside, there is no drone. The exhaust is pretty loud once you get on it, but once you're cruising right around that speed limit, like 40, 50, or 55 area, and the engine is pretty much around 1,000 to 2,000 RPM, you don't hear much exhaust note in the cabin or any drone. Ended up putting two Venom race mufflers side to side, and I went with resonators. I'll post a link to those resonators on the channel here so you guys can see. I pay $120 a resonator. Very quality. They were packed with fiberglass, stainless steel, super nice stuff. My exhaust guy was able to cut down the turn downs for the ram, for the exhaust, so it turned out to be pretty good. It's tuned by Jay. It's a strong, safe tune. Jay says it should be making right around 615 horsepower. So I just want to keep it reliable. I mean, the truck is pretty quick. It gets from 0 to 100 very fast, and I don't want to cause any problems for myself by speeding, but going fast in these things, it tends to have its consequences. But doing a 0 to 60 in a 60 miles per hour speed limit zone shouldn't be a problem. So it's been accomplishing that for me. I think it's right around 4 seconds, give or take. I gotta get a draggy to find out exactly what I'm hitting 0 to 60. But I don't have the best tires, and my truck is completely slowed down with these grapplers G2 being as wide as a 305. So I kind of hurt myself buying these tires for the truck. But I'm in Chicago, so the snow is kind of horrendous around here. It gets bad, so I need to get to work. That's why I bought the tires. But next time around, when I'm changing tires, I guarantee you it's going to be a lot less aggressive, and you know, the truck is going to be having much massive tires on it. So these are all train tires. Alright guys, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.